Vera Endjala, IT Desktop Support Specialist at CRAN. I'm the technology problem solver, ensuring that every CRAN staff member has the tools and support they need to serve consumers effectively. When staff face technology challenges, I'm their first line of support. From software glitches to hardware failures, I ensure quick resolution so consumer services aren't interrupted. Every new staff member needs properly configured technology to do their job. I set up workstations, install software, and ensure secure access to the things they need for consumer protection. Technology is only effective when people know how to use it properly. I provide training on new systems, software updates, and cybersecurity best practices to keep our operations running smoothly. CRAN staff often work in the field conducting inspections and investigations. I manage mobile devices and provide remote support to ensure they can access critical systems anywhere in the world. When consumer complaint systems slow down or license applications can't be processed, I quickly diagnose and resolve issues to restore full functionality and prevent service disruptions. Every resolved technical issue means better service for consumers. I keep CRAN's technology running smoothly so our staff can focus on protecting consumer rights and delivering regulatory excellence.